Hey guys, what's up? It's Ethan and Amaya. Ethan's right here. So today we're going to be reacting to people who commented on our channel and said something nice. So we're gonna be reacting to their video. So this is Cheese, 208 subscribers. So let's watch some of their videos. Okay, let's watch the first videos of Cheese. Okay, let's turn up the volume. Jesus, loud. What is this? Literally it? Okay, well, let's watch another video. Cause that's weird. That's very weird. Okay, let's watch Everything is a Troll. So, go check out Cheese channel. 200. Okay. It's Cheese. It says Shadow, but now his new channel is called Chi. So it's so hard to see. Okay, yeah, now it's good. It's so bad right here, but it's good now. Okay, so pretty good editing. If you think so, right? What rank code? Okay, so this is actually our comments, like people who commented. So yeah.
Over here, buddy? Over here? Someone's going.
Okay, so this seems like a pretty good YouTuber. Nothing bad, like. Okay, so level 1. Okay, so thank you for commenting something nice. We'll make sure to get to you. And yeah. So yeah, I'm going to subscribe. So Chi, if you're watching this, shout out to you. I was subscribing. Chi. Thanks for commenting something nice. Okay, so notification bell. Make sure to go check Chi out. It's kind of backwards because it's on my phone, so. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna watch a new video. Well, Ethan's playing Fortnite. Okay, so.
I got shot in the midair.
Okay, so pretty good. Not subscribed to us. I'm upset. Okay. So, yeah. That's good. I'm just gonna react to another channel. This is a really cute channel. It's Monkey Boo. If you don't know who that is, leave it in the description down below. Monkey Boo.
What the?
Yeah. It's so cute. It's about a monkey. So let's watch something cute.
How much subscribers does this guy have?
1 million. Okay, so Monkey Boo Banana. Okay, so banana. Okay, so this is Monkey Boo. Really cute.
Taste the world of freshness with Mentos Pure Fresh Gum. You want it really bad? Shake my hand. Good boy. All right, guys. What we have here is a banana that most of us wouldn't eat. Boo actually likes bananas a lot blacker than this, but he seems to be pretty excited about it. Let's see what he's gonna do.
Oh yeah, they peel the banana backwards.
Let's see how bad it looks underneath. He likes them really.
Yeah, so this is like one of my favorite channels. Bad lighting, but yeah, this is one of my favorite channels. Shout out to them. Make sure you go subscribe to them. Really cute channel.
Is it really hard?
Oh, it's so cute.
Just feel pretty annoying.
That's not a very appetizing sound. But you know.
Yeah, that would make me barf.
Okay, so we're gonna watch another video, okay? Ethan might barf.
No, it's fine, but in real life.
Yeah, but okay. So we're gonna watch a really cute one. Mott's out. Actually, we're gonna do the solo cups.
Let's put this right back here.
Let's do solo cups.
Go.
Solo cups. That's my favorite video of theirs. Okay, so Monkey Boo. Oh shoot!
Oh my God.
What the heck just happened?
And
My phone just glitched or something. After this video, I think I'm gonna end it here.
Are you excited? Alright guys, tonight we have a really special video with some little solo cups. But let's show them what we
Monkey
got.
Boo.
We're going to do a taste test. We have some Minute Maid orange juice, some Mott's apple juice, and some Ocean Spray cranberry juice. And they're in, wait, you gotta drink, you don't spill them. We want to let you drink them. You gotta wait, boo. It's supposed to be a taste test.
oh, pour
Here,
for it.
hold it.
Oh, that's probably. Pour for it. Pour for
You
it.
do it without spilling any. So,
That's good.
we went for the cranberry juice first. That was the first one he was able to grab. Let's see if he goes for the next one. And then I have you something special.
How do you
cute.
check the monkey?
Well,
The orange juice.
they don't live in Canada.
Check the.
I don't know. They probably bought it for a pet or something. But yeah, this is really cute.
Good boy. Is it good?
Okay, so make sure you go subscribe to them. Best channel. Already subscribed and like.
Take his time.
So yeah, really cute. Make sure you go like the video.
About half and half.
Like.
So good wouldn't get so much sugar. If you got
And,
you know
yeah.
what this is. This is everything mixed together. with
Make
it.
sure
It's
you
called a kamikaze.
subscribe.
This is apple juice, orange juice, and cranberry juice mixed
You
together. You like it?
subscribe to them. And yeah,
And Boo has his own red solo.
okay, well this is I'm going to end it here. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below suggestions on what videos you should make. And yeah, we're just playing Fortnite right here. But yeah, so yeah, just make sure you subscribe, like, and all that type of stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. Maybe I might not be there, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye.